Old Mac Smithy had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had some pigs, E-I-E-I-O, with a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo.
I'm awfully sorry. You know better than that. Pigs don't go moo. They don't go.
The pigs on Old MacDonald's farm might not go moo, but the pigs on Old Mac Smithy's farm, they've got the flu. And they say, moo. Old Mac Smithy had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had some cows, E-I-E-I-O, with a woof woof here and a woof woof there, here a woof, there a woof, there. Old Mac Smithy had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had 11 donkeys. E-I-E-I-O. But the donkeys, they say quack. Why? Because they're quackers.
Press really hard on the back. Press it. Remember to use the clean roller as well on the back. Okay. Wings are ready there.
Spreads his wings. Gracefully.
Oh, so cool. Such a good idea.
I was about to say you're very creative. Ooh. You can, hun. You've finished. They're amazing. I love the flowers.
Most of them are all buzzing about like.
Yeah.
Because we all really want to see them.
But in that big castle over there, the king would be entertaining all his guests. They can't